Lenovo has unveiled the ThinkBook 14 Plus 2020 Forsay Edition in China, targeting professionals seeking a blend of power and portability. This premium laptop features a metal body in Luna Gray with a dual-tone finish, measuring just 15.9 millimeters in thickness and weighing 1.5 kilograms. It boasts a 14.5-inch to 0.5K display with a 16:10 aspect ratio, 90 Hz refresh rate, 100% sRGB color coverage, DC dimming, anti-UV Ryzen certification for reduced blue light emission. Powered by an Intel Core Ultra 5 1-to-5H processor, it comes with 16GB of LPDDR5 RAM and a 512GB M.2 SSD, capable of handling demanding tasks like video editing and 3D modeling. The Smart Power 3.0 cooling system ensures optimal performance without noise, complemented by an 85Ah battery that charges up to 50% in just 30 minutes. Connectivity options include Thunderbolt 4, HDMI 2.1, USB ports, RJ45, a microSD card slot, and ATG-X port for external GPU connections, offering 6GB data throughput. Available for pre-order in China, CNY 5-99 around $722. Its global availability remains unannounced.